Everyone. Today I am still working in a January devotion, and today is day 17, and our scripture is Deuteronomy chapter 4, verse 29. I am just getting out my sticky notes and I'm reading verse 29. And I am marking, I may not be following my marking list exactly, but I like to use different colors. I like to color code, and I do have a marking system. Here is the card kit that was designed, actually created for today. So check out that video as well of making the card. Here I am just writing down the scripture for Deuteronomy chapter 4, verse 29 in the Traveler's Notebook Journal that is also in the kit. All these printables are for free. You can check out the links down below. So I am going to write the scripture down. Then on the back of the dex card, I'm going to write a prayer. Here I'm just putting things back, making sure that I checked off today on the calendar with a heart, distressing the dex card, adding the prayer here. And then I remember a song title actually come to mind when I was saying this prayer, so I'm going to actually write it down at the bottom. Out the links down below where you can get your very own free printables for this January devotion. Hope you enjoyed the video, and God bless.